#belhertips. The 8 best foods for hair growth. In other words, you basically just have to eat healthy. 1. Eggs. Eggs have tons of protein and biotin, both of which are essential should you want to grow your hair. In fact, a lack of these has actually been linked to hair loss, so there's that. Eggs are also a great source of zinc, selenium and other hair healthy nutrients. This makes them one of the best foods to consume for optimal hair health. 2. Cinnamon. This spice aids circulation, meaning it'll help get all that good oxygen to your scalp and follicles. 3. Salmon. You've heard about all the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. One of them is gorgeous, shiny, full hair. A study in 120 women found that taking a supplement containing omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids as well as antioxidants reduced hair loss and increased hair density. 4. Avocados. Not only are avocados packed with tons of those healthy fats, but they're also rich in vitamin E, yet another one that is likely to supplement hair growth. In one study, people with major hair loss experienced 34.5% more hair growth after taking a vitamin E supplement for 8 months. 5. Spinach. Spinach is a powerhouse vegetable. Iron, folate, vitamin A, beta-carotene, and so much more can be found in a small serving of this stuff. All of those things battle brittleness, which in turn contributes to hair growth. 6. Yellow peppers. Turns out yellow peppers are an infinitely better source of vitamin C than oranges are. And, you guessed it, vitamin C is excellent for hair growth. 7. Sweet potatoes. The potato's healthier cousin is packed with beta-carotene, which helps a lot when it comes to a healthy scalp. They've also got a good amount of vitamin A, which is believed to speed up hair growth. A medium sweet potato, about 114 grams, contains enough beta-carotene to provide more than 4 times your daily vitamin A needs. 8. Nuts. Particularly almonds, that is. They're super rich in vitamin E, but none of them are unhealthy. It's not a bad idea to incorporate more of them into your diet, as not only do they help with your hair growth, but they also help with, like everything. Share the love. Save this guide for later or share it with your friends so they can benefit from these amazing foods and have a more natural and healthy looking hair together. www.belher.ro